discussed about divisibility test. So already 2, 5, 10 and 3 and 9 divisibility test already I have discussed. Again I am recalling that what is divisibility. That means if we divide a number by another number, then the divisor, we can say the dividend is completely divisible by the divisor when the remainder is coming 0. Okay, completely if after division remainder is coming 0, then we can say the dividend is completely divisible by the divisor. So by some rules we can, by only seeing the numbers and by doing little bit calculation, we can find out that which number is divisible by which number. So already I have discussed about 2's rule, 5's rule, 10's rule, which is a similar category. 3's rule and 9's rule already we have discussed, that is a similar category. So today I am going to discuss about the divisibility rule of 4 and 8. But that means by doing the actual division, how can I understand that a number is divisible by 4 and 4 or not, or 8 and or not. Why I am categorized these two together? Because these two are having almost same rule of divisibility. So what is the rule of 4? I am starting with the 4's rule. So if I have a big number, we have to see the last two digits. If the last two digits, whatever the number forming by last two digits, that number, if it is divisible by 4, then the whole number is already divisible by 4. I am showing you by one number. Suppose 96012 is there. So what I said just now, that we have to select last two digits. If I take last two digits, the number, whatever the number is forming, that is 12. If 12 is divisible by 4, obviously it is divisible by 4. So if 12 is divisible by 4, then we can say the whole number is divisible by 4 without doing the actual division. Okay, this is the rule of 4. And if I say this is a number, for 8 the rule is just similar, but here we have to see last 3 digits, students. Here we have to see last 2 digits, that they are divisible, but whatever the last 2 digits are, we are taking together, and if the number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. And for 8 we are going to take the last 3 digits, whatever the number forming 864 by the last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. So this is the rule of 4 and 8's divisibility test. Another numbers are there also. I'll discuss that also in the another video. Thank you everyone.